Ambewela Farm, Sri Lanka, located in the scenic hills of Sri Lanka, is famous for its top-notch dairy products and stunning views. Join us as we discover the charm and quality of Ambewela Farm, where nature and farming come together beautifully.
So we are on our way to Ambewela Farms and have a look at this. Say this is in Sri Lanka.
So guys, we have started our journey to Ambewela Farm. It's about a 9-kilometer drive, approx 23 minutes away. There is a surprise beauty along the way. Let's start. As you can see, what a calm scenery surrounded us. So beautiful. What a drive I'm having right now. Look at these milk cows. While you are driving to Ambewela, you are lucky enough to see them. Look at them. Wow, nice. We are not in New Zealand, we are in Sri Lanka, proudly. Look at this beauty. So guys, when you are driving in this kind of nature, you never feel the time. But also enjoying with the family, wow, is something else. Look at the view.
The railway station.
Turning towards Ambewela. We are super excited about this trip. My kid is asking so many questions about this place and she's very excited too. Even after a long time, I'm going to visit this place. When we are kids, our school organized the trip and everyone got a chance to visit Ambewela Farm. I still remember those days are so beautiful. Now I'm having again.
Bus routes to Ambewela. destination.
This is the Ambewela main entrance. We need to buy tickets to enter the farm. Let's see what the prices are. So you can see here they mentioned here for the locals adults 200, children 100, school children in uniform 75 rupees. So in the below you can see foreigners adults 500 and children 250.
And Lamia
So this how these prices are working on here. The prices are mentioned here. Here the water.
There's a 500 rupees for 2 adults and 1 child between. Go. Go. Hi. Go.
Look at this, Soha. Look at Soha. Go go. Go go. Look at this there. Go. Hey, they mentioned here don't feed animals. Oh, look at this, Soha. Hey. Hey.
Okay, now I think it's the milking time. There's 5 minutes. Is it done?
Finish. Nothing is there. This is
This is where the milk come out.
You can see the board here.
Maybe. Cows.
Enough here.
After our walk, we decided to taste some organic food produced here. You can get all the milk products here itself. So let's go in and see what they have.
Time for the rabbits.
Wow, we get a beautiful chance to see feeding milk to calf It's so cute and adorable. Look at this. Wow.
Dada, why that truck there?
Oh, watch your step.
Look at this Lanka. That is cute.
Look at that. Stud boots.
110 kg this one. Oh, check this nature. The Ambewela farms surrounding.
So guys, we would like to sign off this trip for now. Until we see you in the next video. Take care guys. Cheers.